So yesterday afternoon, my daughter was driving around and the car kind of quit on her. It just stopped functioning. I mean, the lights went off on the dash and everything, so she pulled over on the side of the road, or in a safe spot, and gave me a call. So I went and actually used my jump pack, and the car started right up. So I don't know what it was, but when I checked the voltage on the battery before I jumped it, it was 7.4 volts. So I figured something might be going on with this battery. So anyways, what we did was we went to Walmart and picked up a 51, and so today is the day. I'm just going to put it in. This is the Everstart Max group size 51, and before I put it in, I'm just going to check. Let me just take a look here and see what the voltage is. Okay, make sure it's okay, and we're looking at it. It is 12.7 volts, so I'd say we're in pretty good shape. Can you read that okay there? 12.7 volts. All right. Okie dokie. Looks like everything here is 10 millimeters, so there we go. Let's get these off. Okay. There you go. Loosen that up, and it comes right off. Okay, and whoops. There we go. There we go. That comes off. And let's see what we got here. Okay, I'll put that down over here so I don't lose it. And then here, okay, that just comes out. There's a hook down in there, it comes out, so. Just take this and just pull it right out, I guess. There, let's get this over here so it doesn't get in the way. Don't want that in the way. Don't want this in the way either, so. Well, that comes out. Remember how that goes. And then this will come out. Just like this. Okay, that's good. And I have this tray, just to show you the tray under here. I'm just going to wipe it out. Okay, I'm going to just get some dishwashing liquid and just clean this out. So I'll be right back. I got most of the grease off just using some Dawn dishwashing liquid. Okay, so let's put this back in here like this. Nice. I think it goes right there. Uh-oh. Okay, that comes out. That's good. There we go. And it fits right in. There's only one way to go in because there's a little hole there that it fits into. And here, let me wipe some more off. That's good. Okay, that's great. And put the new battery in. Here goes the new battery. Just fits right in like that. Sits in there. That's good. And okay, just gonna wipe this off. Oh, it's not that dirty. I'm just gonna wipe it off. And this will go in like this. Like that. That's nice. I think so. There we go. That's all down there. Nice. And then, so, okay, so, okie dokie. So I got this thing in the little hooky spot. I'm just holding it with my hand because it kept coming out. Here's the rubber thing right there. And what I'm going to do is put this little 10mm thing on it right here. That'll be good. Just like this. Tighten it up. Just like that. And then this one, let me get the other one right there. That'll be good. Okay. And this one's going to go right in here. Hey, the sun's starting to peek out. We had that tropical storm, was it Ophelia, came by. The last 2 days we've had rain, 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 rain. Which is what we need, though. Actually, we need some rain. Okay, there you go. That's good. And there we go. It's pretty good hand tightened, I think. It's just, you know, it's pretty tight. Okay, it's nice and tight. All right, that's good. That's good. And then we'll get this one down here. All right, that'll hold that in. That holds that in. That's nice and tight. And so, let's get this off. Oh, what I need to do is just clean the clean these terminals. Okay, so what we got? I'm just gonna it's interesting. I like to use a little sandpaper here. There we go. Just clean that off nice so it's shiny. So, yeah, that looks good. Okay, and where's the negative one here? Looks pretty shiny, but we'll do it anyways. Here we go, nice. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. And I know this is a new battery, but we're just gonna do this anyways, just in case there's any kind of corrosion on there or something, you know. This is a pretty new battery. It says it's August 23. Okay, there we go. Nice. That looks good. That's nice. Okay. Do. Okay. It makes it much nicer. Little sandpaper. This is fine sandpaper, but it's it definitely does better than that battery terminal thing cleaner. Okay. All right, there we go. So let's put this back on. Oh, I know what I need. So I went to AutoZone, picked up these battery terminal protectors right here. I always like to put those on. So red goes on the positive, green goes on the negative. I think that's the way it works. Well, that's the way I'm going to do it. Okay, let's put this on. Here we go. Oh, whoops, wait. So this is going to go over that. That's nice. Holds that in place. And we'll tighten this up here. It's all good. Yeah. Yeah, whoops, let's push that down. Make sure it's down all the way. the way. That's good. All right, that's nice. There we go. And let's put the negative one on here. That's good. And that's really in there good. So everything's tight. All right. So it's tight. That's tight. And this is tight. And okay. So last step is let's put some of this battery terminal protection spray on. And let me just, I'm gonna put it around here because otherwise it's gonna spray on everything. There you go. That's good. Get some on the positive. Okay, that looks good. Oh, planes are landing over us today. All right. Let's see. Yeah, we got plenty of oil in there. Power steering's good. Brake fluid's good. I might add some windshield wiper, but okay, let's see if it starts up. Well, the engine certainly sounds good here. One of the last steps is whenever you change the battery, what happens is you got to reset the code on the radio. So I have the code inside, I can do that. Let me turn the lights on, make sure everything else is working. So I just checked all the lights and the blinkers and everything, and they're all working. So we're sitting here idling now after it revved up. It's 14.6, 14.61. So I think that's good. Seems like the alternator's doing its job.